Feel like you're getting crushed by the big septic companies in your area? You know, the ones with massive ad budgets and rock bottom prices? If you're tired of losing work to companies that cut corners just to underbid you, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Gary. I help septic service businesses get more high-quality leads using Google search ads without racing to the bottom on price. Nobody wants that. I understand how when you're a smaller septic company, it can feel like the deck is stacked against you. Big competitors show up first in search results. They have fleets of trucks, a slick website, and the money to run nonstop ads. You're doing honest work every day, year after year, but you're still getting overlooked. Here's the truth. You don't need a massive budget to win. You just need the right message, shown to the right people at the right time. Start by positioning your business for quality, not quantity. Use your Google ads to highlight what makes you better, not cheaper. Talk about your years of experience. Mention that you're licensed, insured, and local. Show real reviews from happy customers who trusted you and got great results. Use landing pages that make it easy for serious buyers to contact you. Remember, serious customers aren't always looking for the cheapest option. They're looking for someone they can trust to do the job right. Yes, you can absolutely compete and win against the big guys if your online message is clear, credible, and focused on quality. If you are ready to start showing up for the jobs you want, let's talk. Sign up for a free phone consultation with me. There's never any pressure, just honest, straight talk on how to get your septic business to the next level. The link is in the description below this video.